Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's see how we can deal with this question. That is NOV-DEC 2024. The point P and Q are 40 meters and 20 meters of R respectively. We have to calculate the correct to one decimal place the distance between P and Q. We can make a sketch of that. Let's just say if the point R is here, P is due north, so we are moving on the north of P to the point of R to the point what? P. So this is where the P will be at a distance of 40 meters. Then Q is also on the east. On the east, which is on a distance of 20 meters. So we are looking for the distance between PQ, the length of PQ. So since this is northeast, it forms a right angle triangle here. So we can apply, if here is y, that could be the length between P and Q. Using Pythagorean theorem, we can say that the longest side, which will be y square, equals to the square of the sum of the two shorter sides. So this is going to be what we are going to have. That will be the relationship. So y squared will be equals to 40 times 40. That will be 1,600. 20 times 20 will also give us 400. So now y will be nothing but the square root of 1,400, 600 plus 400, that will be 2,000. So what happened is that we put this in the calculator and see what the value of the root of 2,000 will be. That will be 44.7. We have approximation, but since I've seen that all the values here are in one decimal places, I'm going to leave the answer in one decimal place. And that will mean that, therefore, the length of PQ is going to be 44.7 meters. Alright, so this is what we have. Don't forget, in section B, you could have indicated this more than two decimal places. Since you're looking for one decimal places, so I can make it 2, 1. That is what? 44.2135955. So if you write it in this form, one decimal place will be 7. And that will give us 44.7. So this becomes our answer. I guess it is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.